Hi, hello, and welcome to part 2, the quick weave. In this video, I am going to show you a quick weave that I have literally been doing since I was in middle school. But before we get started, give this video a thumbs up and click that bell to have your notifications on so you know every time I'm posting another video. Now, I'm doing all of the braids straight down because I want these tracks to lay with the curvature of my head. But before we get started, these wefts, I have 3 bundles, and these bundles are from Temu. Now, these are not version bundles, boo. Okay, that's why I'm using it for a quick weave, and sometimes they put color or I don't know what be on them, but Olaplex 4C gets everything off. So this was the last of my Olaplex 4C bottle, so I went ahead, shampooed these 3 bundles 3 times, and then the very last time I put a little bit of water within the bottle just to get the remaining of the Olaplex 4C, and then filled the sink up. Like you can see, let it soak for about 10 minutes, and y'all, look at this water. Okay, not to mention that is like probably the lightest batch. All right, but after this one, the hair was completely different. It was so weird, like the kind of rough light texture that it had, everything was gone once we did this process. So let the bundles dry under a hooded dryer for about an hour and a half, and then it was time to go. So at this point, this is the type of braid down that I have been doing forever under a quick weave, right? Literally have been doing quick weave since I was in middle school, and I will be 33 in July. So make sure that you're not doing the braid down the same way that you do it for a sew-in. You know how you would have that small perimeter braid around where that part is? You don't want to do that with the quick weave, because then it'll be a little lumpy bump. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to do that. So that's why I'm going ahead and braiding everything straight down so it'll match the curvature of my head. And after that, I am going to apply a little cap to my head, and it was tight. Listen, this method, nothing is going nowhere. This cap is not moving. Do you understand me? Still. Go, baby girl. I ain't even gonna lie to you, young blood. This little thing tight than a mug. I'ma just let it get just a little bit. Let it play braid just a little bit. Like, this is what got the party started. Pump it up. It's what got the party started. I'm about to stop talking because I look too stupid to be sitting here talking looking like this. Linda, you don't have to get the pump it up, but I have not done quick weaves ever in my life, nowhere over the city or the world, Craig, without pump it up. It's just my thing. So if you want to use something else, use something else, but I use pump it up. Okay, so what I am first doing is, well, I already did it and I didn't record it. I went ahead and marked off, mapped out where I want the tracks to lay and where they have to stop on the cap. So before I do all of that, I like to go ahead and measure most of the pieces out, but I didn't do that. I said that's what I like to do, but that's not what I did. So notice how at the very beginning I didn't have my leave out. It is imperative that you make sure that your leave out is out of the cap before you start laying the tracks. Now the very first track is the most important one. You want to make sure that you take your time, because it may not look like it, but this very first track is laying on the very tip of the black stocking cap. Okay, it is so important that you put it right at that very tip, because that way, that didn't sound right, that way whenever you flip it up, you won't see any braids, any wefts, or anything. All you see is hair. All right, so that is why you want to make sure you put it on that very first lining of the stocking cap. And after that, you're just gonna follow the curvature of your head. Everything is really self-explanatory, but this pump it up, listen, the pump it up, and this is just me, okay? This is just me and what I see on TV since I was in middle school. When we do a quick weave with pump it up, for me, pump it up is the difference between a quick weave lasting a month and it lasting a couple of days. Now, am I telling you to keep your quick weave in for a month? No, I am not. I only kept mine in for a week. But when you use pump it up before you lay down the weft and after the weft is laid down and hit it with that blow dryer, baby, these tracks ain't going nowhere. It's like a sew-in. It feel like one, I'm telling you. But I will say this, disclaimer, be careful of the amount of tension that you use when you're pulling the wefts and laying them on your head, because when you use pump it up in conjunction with the hair glue, it is going to be tight. So baby, there is no ripping it off. Like, there is a certain pattern that you need to follow to go ahead and remove this quick weave. But I will tell you that there is no damage, no shedding, no breakage whatsoever. So watch this to the end and make sure that you are here for part 3 so you can see the way that I take it down. But done talking you to death. Let me know what you think in the comments. How much did you do quick weaves? Let me know if whether or not you used pump it up or if you still use it. I stay with a bottle of pump it up in my house.
Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. Waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Baby, I surrender. I can't take it anymore. I don't want to remember. Just wanna let it all go. Waiting for a new day when I won't feel no pain. You will have to let me go so I can be myself again. We should know that we won't be any better now. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. No. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouette. Come on, say, is this over? Oh, is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? This be over now? Is this over now? Now is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Say, is this over? Hey, say, is this over? Is it over? Can this be over now?
says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do, it's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face, smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. It's the things that you do, the things that you do. And it's the smile on your face, the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place.
When will tomorrow come? Why do I still miss you? Why can't I move on? Thought I left you smiling. My past is holding on. Oh, yeah. They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. When will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. They say keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. And when heard you're moving on with someone new. My friends keep telling me that it was for the best, but I don't know if I will make it through. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room, falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. Girl, I know we said some things we didn't mean, but thought that we could figure this one out. Hate the fact that our love now is separate, but maybe someday you will realize. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room, falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. I guess I should have known it from the start,